Make them wide over there. Sit back over here now, nice and slow. Okay, brakes, nice and slow, don't set the car, that's it, bit further, turn it in now, turn it in. 2, 3. You know what, so turn it in, you have to turn the wheel. Right over there. It's okay. Slow down a bit now. Not that much. Turn it in now. Over this way. That's it now, turn it that way. Turn it quite tight on the curb, that's it now. Pull it over. Nice and sit, turn it in, start feeding it in now as you straighten the wheel. As you're coming out there, you've got your feed and it'll naturally tend to slide. But because you're feeding it as you're drifting out anyway, it's not like ground with you. Wait. Turn it now. That's it, don't touch your brake, just hold the throttle. Hold the neutral throttle. That's it, now start feeding it in slowly. Drift out, you're feeding it in. Okay, 200 yards, start braking slowly. Start braking. Not too hard, because you're gonna... Oh, careful. Okay, let it drift out, just accelerate very slow. 50 back over. Okay, nice and slow, ease it off again. Brake down. Okay, turn it into the post. That's it. Power now. Drift it out, that's it, crunch on the power. Stay over here. Okay, brake slow. That's it, turn it into the post. Nice and smooth. That's it, follow the curve. Start feeding it in slow. Stay right. Slow, turn it. Curve. That's it, stay to the right. Okay, nice and slow. Easy down, touch. You get for that curve now, then run it a bit wide out, and then turn it in, and then you can accelerate on the turn. Now, accelerate. Stay wide. Okay, back it up. Slow it down. Touch. Okay, that'll do. Turn it in. Come on over here. To the curve, into the curve now. Start feeding it in now. Drift it out. Okay, ready. Okay, stop braking. Brake. Okay. Bit more than that. Okay, now slow it, turn it in. Curve. Start feeding it now. Feeding. Put it wide. Over there now. Brake. That'll do, turn it in. What you've got to be thinking of, once you've cleared one corner, you've set the car up, think about getting to the right side of the road for the next one, okay? Turn it in, and then start feeding it in now. Feed it in as you're driving, feed it. Feel its natural tendency to slide out, but you can compensate for that on the throttle then. Stay wide, go on, wide, through the marker bar, through the marker. Turn in. What are you doing? Something like fast. Yeah, it's like fast. Go on, down. 50 wide again, 50 wide. Go towards the wall. Okay, stop braking now. Not hard, just drift it on the brake. Go on, a bit more. Okay, ready? Turn it in. Bit fast, good. Get dry now. Okay, run it wide, accelerate as you're drifting it out. That's it, bring it back over. Okay, start braking slow now. Easy, don't brake it too hard. Just turn it in now, post. Accelerate, drift it out. It straightens your corner, you see what I mean? Okay, up here. Okay, slow it, that'll do. Into the post, follow the curve, don't touch it, just follow it, keep it round. Okay, wide. Now, straight. Curve. Right hand side. Stop braking. Curve. Okay. Curve. Feed it now, feed it. Really wide, feed it. Closer to the edge. No, close to the edge.
No, it's alright. I've seen that. I've got
Okay, close. Okay, turn it in. Let it on neutral throttle. Keep it on the curve. Okay, feed it in now, drift over. Stop braking. Okay, keep running. Now turn it in. Okay, stop. turn it in. Oh, and turn it in. Turn it, and as you come round, start feeding it now. Feed it, just feed it, feed the throttle. And I said its natural tendency will draw you up. Go towards the wall now. Okay, keep going, we want 300 yard and then neutral throttle, turn it in. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Okay, turn it in. Neutral throttle, just hold it at the ribs. Okay, start feeding it in now. Drift out. There you go, brake. Not too much. Follow them down a bit. Okay. Turn. Bring it wide. Start feeding it in now. Feed it in, feed it, feed it. Come on, take it wide. Okay, over it now. Okay, start braking. Okay, in, post, feed. Now, feed. Okay, off. Ready, turn it in. Post. And then try and hold it on the curve. Go on, follow him in, follow him in. Over here. Okay, turn. Curve. Curve. Wide. Right now, we're going to take a wide line here and then undercut him on the straight. So take it wide. Wide, turn it in, turn it in. Feed it now, feed it, go on, feed it, go, 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 go. Okay, you're going to have to drop in behind this one. Right, careful, 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 because you know what they're going to do. Okay, turn it in. Okay, start feeding it now, bring it towards the curve a bit, bring it towards the curve. Go, look on, go, go, let you through, go. Okay, stop braking. Stop braking, stop braking, stop braking. Turn it in, 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 turn it in. Apex is over there. Stop feeding it, go on. You'll pull it round, pull it round. Over. You don't like that one, do you? Okay, stop braking. Stop braking for a bit more. That's it, turn it in, turn it in. Okay, turn. Feed the power on now, go on. Start feeding it in, start feeding it in, start feeding it, go on. Catch him up. Feed it now. Go, 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 go. That's it. Right on the edge. Go on. Keep it up there. Keep it up there. Get competitive now. Stay there, stay there. Go on. Foot on, foot on, foot on. Turn. Turn, turn. Turn. Just foot down now. Foot down. Okay, easy top. You don't know all the brakes. So start easing it back. Start easing it back. Okay, turn it in. Okay, feed it in now, feed it in. Okay, start braking in. There you go, feed it early, but turn it in now, turn it in post. Turn it in the post. Feed it on now. So you're in the post, you should be feeding it on and drifting it out. Come over here. Slow. Okay, turn in, post. Follow the curve now, follow the curve. Go on, feed it in, feed it in, feed it in, follow the curve. Okay, turn it in, curve. Turn it in, curve. Watch down the right. Feed it now, feed it, feed it, feed it. Slow. Stay wide. Okay, turn it round. Turn it under him again, boot it now, boot it. On the floor, go on. Right, get over there, get over there. He's letting it pass for some reason, I don't think he's letting us pass. Go on, get over there, silk snails again. Go on, get around there. Six up proper, slow, keep going. Okay, feed it, feed it, feed it, feed it, feed it, go on. Wide, boot. Over. Right. Brake. Harder, 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 harder. Okay, now turn it in. Apex, turn it in a bit harder. Floor it now, floor it. When you floor it, if it gets grip, it'll pull you and you want to be over there. Okay, brake. Brake, 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 brake. Turn it in now, turn it in. Okay, you got this one, got that one now. Get it now, get it. Start feeding it in now, start feeding it in. Feed it, feed it, feed it, feed it. Okay, floor it. Floor it, and let it drift up the hill. That's it, keep it on the floor now. Keep it on the floor. Over. Body wall, body wall, body wall. Ready? Turn it. Turn it, floor it now, floor it. Go for it. Go on. Let Okay, drift out now, floor it. That's it. Start braking. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Okay, turn it. Okay, and around again. Feed, now, go. Stay, brake. Turn in, post. Power. Over. Okay, slow, brake, turn it in, aim for the post. Keep on the right, go on, keep on the right. Stay right. Now, curb. Okay, brake. Okay, turn it in. Too close. Go on, pull. Floor. Left side of the track. You're on the fucking motorway now. Slow down a touch now. Just ease it off a touch. That'll do. Turn in. Keep it smooth. Curb. Keep it smooth. Feel the back. Go on, go. It's only too tight. You're supposed to be over there when you come out of the corner. Okay. Brake. Now turn it in. Curb. Okay, feed. Go. You don't want that fucking apex, do you? Over there. Okay. Stop braking. Turn. Curb. Okay, start feeding it in. Now, a bit more. Just ease it in and ease it in. Let it drift up the bank. Go. Floor it. Up against the wall. Turn now, turn. Okay, keep it round by these blue lines now. Floor it now. Floor it. What, floor it, don't you understand? Over. Stop braking. Get over a bit. You're going to run out of corner otherwise, okay. Slow down. Turn it in. Okay, drift it wide. Floor it now, go. Come over now. Hang on. Get over here. Turn it in. Stay on this side. Get over there. Slow. You're not going to make it corner at that fucking speed, you muppet. Go on, round. That was not the racing line. Go on, stay right. Turn now. Curb. Wide. Okay, start braking. Okay, turn it in. That's better, that's a better line now. Feed it. As you come into the corner, stop feeding it in. Go out there, drift. Okay, on the edge now. Stay there. Okay, ease off the throttle now. Slow. Touch it to make a touch. That's it. Turn it in now. Curb. Start drifting it out now. Floor. Okay, back over here. Ready? Right. Turn it in. That'll do. That's getting better. Curve. Floor now. Go. Floor it. Over there. Keep going. Okay. Brake. Order. Turn it in. Go. Okay, right. Curve. Start feeding it now. Start feeding for this corner. That's it. Turn it in. Start feeding it again now. Feed. Go. Floor it. Stay up against the wall. Keep it floored. Turn. Come on. Turn it in a touch now. Get close to the white line. That's it. Floor it now. Floor. Okay, start braking. Take it over. Keep braking. Keep over. Brake. Turn it. Fuck you. We shouldn't be coming up the inside. Okay. Whoa. Careful. You're going to spin it. Floor it. It's down to him to get round, not down to you. Okay, slow down. Okay, in. Post. Go on. Run it wide. Floor now. Floor. Run. Wide. That's it. Touch. Go. Turn. Stay right now. Stay right. Floor it a bit. Go on. Get down. Accelerate a bit. Stay right. Turn left now. Turn. Curb. Fucking curb's over there. There. turn it in.